Section 23. Obviously, the advertisement is aimed at teenagers. The factory now under construction will assemble 1,000 VCR units per day. Efficient machinery replaced manual labor. In those days, the gigantic corporation had a virtual monopoly over internal commerce. With restrictions removed, thousands of new enterprises have come into being. As a result of his ridiculous venture, he is in danger of going bankrupt. Compared to the previous year, business is looking up in terms of sales. However, we haven't made any profit yet. I'm going to be transferred to an overseas branch.
Oh, I'll miss you. Please drop me a line.
While he was away on business, his wife gave birth to a baby boy.